Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So today I'm going to show you the simplest way for you to be able to host and share your work online for free. And for this video, we're going to be utilizing Tiny.host. So Tiny.host is an absolutely free website. You can sign up with them for free, either your Google account, your Microsoft account, or even your Yahoo account. So it depends on your preference. If you have an email, you can email them a login, and the email attach your email, and they'll send you a login link. And yeah, so basically, what you can do here is you can drop down the file here. If you see how it works, you can drop down the file automatically. It'll be shareable or down. It will be shared online. So here, for example, this is the file we have. Like this is Amazon. This is from Amazon. So all you have to do is verify your email account right here, just like that. Then from then on, it will work its magic, and automatically you will now be able to have your file uploaded for free. And the best thing about this is, as you can see here, it's active. You can click to preview it right here. It looks like this. You can customize it, you can update it, you can see the analytics for it. But of course, for the analytics, you're gonna have to choose a plan. But if you're just planning to like upload your domain or your website or to host it up, definitely you can just use the free plan. And that's it. You can also delete it if you'd like to, and you can re-upload the file again. If you're using a free plan, you can upload at least one live file per account. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.